Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful denim handbag crafts ideas. I will share you viewers, so I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. Viewers, my first idea is denim backpack style bag. Convert all jeans into a mini backpack. Add a strap and zipper, stylish and practical. Paint denim bag. Paint flower quite a design. Use fabric paint, let it dry well. Now your costume bag is ready. And friends, jeans pocket handbag. Use the back pocket of jeans, attach it on the small bags. You can even use it to hold small items. Very creative and useful. And friends, button style denim handbag. Add colorful button on the front. Make patterns like flower or heart. Simple but eye-catching design. Denim bag with fabric patches. Use printed fabric patches. Stitch or glue them on denim. Give a fun and playful look. And friends, my next idea is rope handles denim handbag. And weavers, use thick top as a handle attached strongly on both sides. Perfect for a beach or casual look. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz, viewers.